What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to easily create your e-commerce website on Google site and add payment methods or payment gateways. So first of all, you will need here to go to Google Sites. Here that's sites.google.com. And what you want to do is you can select from the available templates here and you can expand the template gallery. Okay, or you can start from a blank page or a blank website, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. So I'm going to start with a blank site here. First, let's add or select the theme. So here you can create a theme or import one. However, we will select one from the available ones. So let's view them here. Okay, I like this one, the impression. You can change the color accents, so the line here, you can make it red, yellow, green. Actually, I like it in yellows. Okay, so you can also change the font style. Okay, narrow. Okay, I like this one better. Now let's enter the title. So here let's enter the text like big sale, or like buy our amazing bag. Let's say I want to create a website to sell like gym bags here. Okay, I can highlight the text to change the type, like a normal text, a title, a heading, or a subheading, small text. Let's make a title again. You can change the font right here. Okay, and we can also change the text size, make it bold, italic, underline, change the text color, add a link, an emoji, alignment, and so on. So let's change the text color. Let's make it like a light green. Okay, looking good. And once we hover over this section here, we can also enter the text name right here, the site name right here, sorry. So my shop. Okay, we can also click to add a logo to upload it. Okay, however, we will not do it right now. So we can change the header type. So a cover, a large banner, a banner, or a title only without images. So let's make banner, and we can go back to add an image. We can upload an image from our computer or select one. Let's select one right here. We can select from like some basic ones by URL, by search. So let's search Google for like gym bags. Sorry. Okay, let's choose one. Okay, this one looks good. Select it, and it will be uploaded right here. And we can also remove readability adjustment and anchor image. So let's anchor image. We want it to display. Okay, the center looks good. Okay, now let's create a page here. So this is the home page. Let's create a product page. So another page for the products where our products will be listed, and you have the advanced options. However, you will not use it for now. So let's click on done. Okay, and now let's go back to the home page. And in the home page, we can insert like a button, and to like make this button redirect us to the product site, or like view products. Okay, and in the link here, we can actually link to open the products page, so that when the button is added, once you click, or the customer clicks on it, it will open the products page, and the page is like displayed right here. So we can edit the button. You can make it larger here. We can move it around, and here we can make it like filled, outlined, or text only. So I like how it looks outlined, alignment, and we can copy it. We can edit the details also. I like how it looks right now. However, we do not have any products to put, since like Google Sites doesn't offer e-commerce options, or like payments or products and so on. So to create our e-commerce store, we'll need to use this tool. That's power.io, P-O-W-R. And in this tool, we can easily create our store and embed it in our Google Sites website. So Let's create an account here. We can sign up for free or create an account, create for free. So let's click on sign up for free. And you can sign up with Google or Facebook, or you can sign up with email. So I'm going ahead and sign up with email and then get back to you. And once you sign up, it'll automatically open your main dashboard here. So in here, we want to create a new app. And in here, we want to select Form Builder. Click on Get App. It'll open in a new tab here. Okay, got it. Now, in the templates, we want to go ahead and select a template like this one. We can use template here, 20% discount by now. So this is like a template for a store with products that you can buy, or like your customers can buy. We can edit it or like preview how it will look like. Okay, looking good. Now, let's edit it. Now we can click on use template right here to continue and edit the settings. So the title and description, we can edit all the contents once we hover over a content and then, or an element, and then click on settings. Here we can edit the text. So like, buy it now. And we can edit also the alignment, the text color type, and so on. Okay, description, our best products with the best deals. Okay, let's leave it as it is. Then done. Now for the button here, the buy now button, full width, and we can change the shape of it. Okay, I like this one. Let's change the color to a greenish color so that it stands out from the like dark red accent. Shadow color, border radius. Okay, now let's go back. We can also edit the header. We can edit this image here. So let's edit the header image. We can change the style. So make the image at the top, on the left as it is. I actually like it the way it is. Or we can also make no image. So we can replace the image. Stock images. Let's go for stock images. You can also upload a file, recent files. You can add it from a URL or create media from like Canva, Banner Maker, and other tools. So let's go to stock images and let's search for a gym bag. Okay, let's okay, like this one matches the style that we are looking for. We can edit the position and edit the width and the height. So let's make it a bit narrower. Image margin, display above content. Okay, now let's edit the images right here. So we can edit the element. So we have many images here. We can delete a couple of them since we want to just add one product, only one product. So we will delete this one, and we can make the picture layout 2 columns to make the picture bigger. Okay, and the border radius can increase or decrease it. Now, here we can replace the image with the image of our bag or our product. So let's go to stock images again, and let's say for search for gym bag once again, and let's list this one, for example. Okay, so here the buy now button looking good. Okay, that looks good. We can go back here, and the button, we already edited the settings. Now here in the payment option, we can add like payment options here because this item requires payment. It's now $5. However, we can edit it later. So here, as you can see, when I enable payments, the price is shown, and we can enable invoices through PayPal as well if we want to. Now here we can click to connect payment accounts. We can connect Stripe, PayPal, and we can also offer offline payments. So Stripe is selected by default. We can connect it to sign into our account or sign into our PayPal account, or select offline payments, so like cash on delivery. And the payment methods can vary depending on your country. So let's go back here, and here we can connect payment account. Let's enter the product details. So it's a one-time purchase if it's a donation, or if it's a recurring subscription, so like monthly or weekly and so on. So it is a product, and the currency is in US dollars. And here the accept payment methods, all available or card only. the product cost, let's edit the price, let's make it $50. And visitor can decide the amount to pay. Of course not. This can work if it's a digital product. So they can be allowed to choose a quantity if they want to buy more than one. However, you can turn it off if you have limited like stock. So the default quantity is 1, and you can show the price on the bottom. And we can also allow buyers to leave a note. So okay, done. Now the tax, we can also edit the tax settings and the shipping. The shipping, let's say shipping price is like $10. Okay. Now let's go back to the product details. Okay, as I thought, we should enter like 500 in order to make it $50. Okay, done. And then we can add discounts code. So we can create a new code. So this is like the early bird like discount. We can make it like any percentage or an amount. So I'll make it a percentage. So like a 10% account, 10% discount. We can create a new code, and we can also create a new one. So we can have multiple codes to share and give to people. Now we can go back here to like edit the design. So we can edit like the design of the page here. As you can see here, it changes the design. So we can select different themes here, the edit mode, and we can also preview how the page will look like in the preview mode right here. Okay, let's say I like this one, the dark classic, looking good. Now we can also change the size and display. We can change the background and input display on click and pages and so on. So once you are ready, here we can preview also how the page will look like on tablet, a mobile phone, or on desktop right here. And now once you are ready to publish it, click on publish. And here you want to select embed with code, and you want to copy the code provided here, and then go back to my shop. And any pages, you want to select the products page, then go to insert, embed code, and then paste the code that you selected. Click next. Okay, then insert. Now your store is inserted, and you can edit the size. You can make it like bigger to fill out all this area. Okay, make it as big as you want to. Now, looking good right now, and here you have your store ready. So that is how easy it is to add products or create an e-commerce website on Google Sites.